We're going to talk about the Rathdrum School Levy. This is a hot topic here locally. So when I see something that's going to increase my taxes, I almost always vote no.
Right.
Not even question it. That's my personal stance on it. Eric has changed my mind a little bit. Right?
Yeah, that's fair. There's a big part of me that's not biased. When you start looking at public schools and especially extracurricular activities, that's where we're capturing some of these kids that may not have parents that are as invested as some of you are. You can tell when you walk through the schools, there's no big, nice archways or brand new football fields or anything like that. And I don't want people thinking that these levies are there to secure that. And it's not to say that this levy not passing would totally kill that, but it certainly changes the entire landscape of kids that are going to school there.
That's going to be the number one question. People are going to be like, how much are my taxes going to go up?
You have to invest in them and get them working towards something constructive so all that energy can go into that. And they're reaching out and asking for, and you realize how big sports or that activity are for them and their development.
That can literally change their trajectory in life